Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking lemongrass chicken, a Vietnamese recipe. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have lemongrass, which we chop already thinly. We got red onions. We have garlic. We have hot chili or hot peppers. We got chicken thighs here. We deboned it already, clean, and we're gonna fry this later before we mix the sauce. We got salt and we got pepper, olive oil or vegetable oil, fish sauce, brown sugar, salt, and we're gonna use also some seasoning, which is ginger powder, a little bit of ginger powder. So let's proceed to cooking. In our hot skillet here, let's add vegetable oil or olive oil, each your choice. We're gonna put only a little, not that much, because the chicken will produce its own oil. So we're gonna let the chicken, we're gonna cook it until it's a little bit brown or golden brown, and then we're gonna set it aside. Now, this is the right time to put in our chicken. We're gonna fry it with the skin down first, okay? There you go. We're gonna let this cook until it's golden brown, and probably it will take only 3 or 4 minutes each side. So let's do it like this, and we'll be right back. Now we'll flip this over because the other side is already golden. Like that. There you go. There you go. So we're gonna cook the other side again until it's brown. And there you go. It's beautiful. So we'll be right back. Now we will make our sauce for the lemongrass chicken. We'll put our lemongrass. Okay, smells real good. We chop this real fine and put our garlic. All right. Our onions, and then we're gonna put our hot red chili. Okay, we're gonna put some more just in case we need some more. Add 2 or 4 spoons of fish sauce. Okay, and then we will add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Okay, there you go. Let's put 2.5. There you go. And then we'll mix this together. Right, mix it real good. And then we're gonna saute this with the chicken and in a bit. Okay, here's the finished product. Lemongrass chicken, a Vietnamese recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video if you haven't done so.